Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to our channel News Flash. I am Neetu Sharma with you in this bulletin. Let's start the bulletin. US President Donald Trump has pledged to help guarantee Ukraine's security as part of a potential space deal to end Russia's war, following a high-stakes summit at the White House with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and key European allies. The meeting comes just days after Trump's controversial sit-down with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Alaska. Trump said the US and Europe will support Ukraine's defense, though details remain unclear. Zelensky welcomed the pledge, saying formal security guarantees could be finalized within 10 days. He also confirmed Ukraine's offer to buy $90 billion in US weapons. Trump announced plans for a trilateral summit with Putin and Zelensky, possibly in Hungary. Let's focus on the next news. China has assured India that it will address New Delhi's critical needs for fertilizers, rare earth elements, and tunnel boring machines. According to official sources, the assurance was given during recent high-level discussion aimed at boosting trade cooperation despite ongoing border tension. India, which relies heavily on imports for its fertilizer sector and infrastructure projects, has sought greater access to Chinese technology and raw materials, especially rare earth crucial for electronics and clean energy. The move is seen as a step toward easing economic friction and strengthening supply chain resilience between the two Asian giants. Less news from capital New Delhi. Senior BJP leader Shivraj Singh Chauhan expressed disappointment after Congress MPs created a ruckus during a special parliamentary discussion on India's space achievements. Chauhan said some things should be seen above politics, emphasizing that the country's advancements in space science deserve bipartisan pride and respect. The disruption occurred as Parliament was highlighting milestones like Chandrayaan 3 and Gaganyaan. Chauhan urged all parties to rise above political differences when celebrating national achievements. Political activity is intensifying as the NDA and opposition India bloc prepare for the upcoming vice presidential election. The NDA has nominated Maharashtra Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan as its candidate, signaling a strategic move to consolidate support. Meanwhile, the India Alliance is expected to announce its nominee soon, setting the stage for a high-stakes political contest. The election is being closely watched as a test of strength for both camps ahead of key legislative sessions. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has appealed to the opposition to allow Parliament to formally felicitate Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, calling him a national hero who deserves recognition. Rijiju said, "Our heroes deserve appreciation," and urged all parties to set aside political differences to honor the armed forces' bravery. The appeal comes amid disruption in Parliament, with Rijiju emphasizing the need for unity when it comes to celebrating India's real-life heroes. That's all we have for you in this news bulletin. Be with us. Namaskar.